Introducing the 2011 GMC Acadia. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission.
Now every GMC certified pre-owned vehicle has the value and confidence you need. Owner Care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring our new exclusive 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and if that weren't already enough coverage, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. See, we didn't call it Owner Care for nothing.
Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride.
Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.